Today we've got the brand new Saie Multi-Use Cream Highlighting Blush. Yes, you heard me right. This is a highlighter and it's a blush all in one. And you guys know how much I love and rave about that new Saie foundation. So this is a product I'm super excited to try on and test out. So I've actually picked up 2 shades. I'm excited about this because they came out with 5 shades in this collection. All the shades are stunning. There are 2 cool tones and 3 warm tones, as well as okay, this is kind of something brands don't normally do until like further on if the product actually does well on the market, but they actually came out with refills. So if you want to be more sustainable, which I believe you should, buy the refills, pop them into a Z-pan, and then you can use it that way, and it's so much cheaper. This actually retails for $42 Canadian, but the Z-pan refills are actually only $34. So if you want to save a little coin, you can always do that, and it's more sustainable. Alright guys, let's jump right in. This is the color Pink Glow, which is a cool pink. And this is so creamy. I'm actually surprised. I knew it would be a cream, obviously it's a cream product, but this is very nice. So that's what that color looks like. So this is actually quite sheer. I mean, I can really sheer that out. And you do get a really good pop of that shimmer to it. So I'm just like, okay, I like the color. That's really cute. But the amount of shimmer, you know, for a whole blush effect, it's a little bit much. But we're going to play with this and see how this works. So this is the color Mauve Glow, a cool toned mauve. And I'm going to swatch this beside it. So this is a lot more berry toned than I was expecting. But super pretty. That is a beautiful shade. I'm just going to blend that out so you guys can see the difference. Alright, that berry tone, I'm excited to try that out. Super cute. Now, to apply this, I recommend that you go in with smaller tools. Normally, I like a bigger brush, right? Because we want that really angelic look, you know, really diffused and blown out. But I did play with this, and I recommend going in with smaller tools and blending this out. It does blend out quite a bit. So I picked out these 3 brushes for you guys, smaller brushes. So this is a Makeup by Mario Sephora collection. I believe everyone probably has this. This is just the cheek brush. This will be a great one to blend out. Again, super affordable option. We've got the ColourPop F31 brush. I like this because it's a little bit more denser than the Makeup by Mario. It's a great blending, buffing brush. And then this one is a Juvia's Place small complexion brush. This is a J22-1 brush. Super love the Juvia's Place brushes. If you're looking for something a step up from, say, the ColourPop, which is also a great brush brand, this one is amazing. It's actually really amazing for the price point. Super, super great. I'm going to start by applying the Mauve Glow. Now you can apply this a couple of different ways. You can use the butt end of your makeup beauty blender sponge to tap this on and blend it out. That is also a super amazing way. But today I'm going to be using the brush, and then we're going to blend it out that way. So I'm just going to take the product. Right now I've got a clean dry brush. Again, stippling on. I don't want a lot of product. I feel like that's probably a bit too much. But we're just going to see how this plays. So I'm just going to start by adding some of that color to the apples of my cheeks and working this way out to my hairline. Okay, so far that color is amazing. There's absolutely no scent to this, and it is super pretty. This is also a product you can use all over the face. This is great for your eyelids. You can make a super monochromatic look, which we will play with in a moment. But as a blush and a highlight, that's the product. No product. Right? That is super, super cute. Loving that. But before I move on, I just want to share with you guys something I read on the Sephora website when I was reading how to apply the product. There's a small disclaimer there, which I'm like, am I going to even like this product? I will read it to you. If you notice creasing, tap your finger or a small double-ended brush to blend back into the skin. And I'm like, is this going to move around on me? Is this not going to stay in place all day? So of course we're going to test it out. I'm going to let you guys know, and I will update you on that. So far the color is pretty. Loving the color. Like, that is a vibe on itself. But if this is going to move around on my eyelid, like that's, or on my cheek too, like that's a no for me. But we will definitely test that out. So I'm going to go in with my finger right now. I'm going to apply this to my eyelid. I'm just going to go right in to the inner corner, tap, 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 taking the same blush brush because I want something a little bit larger just to diffuse that. You can go in with something smaller if you want, But just to keep it simple today, I'm just using the same brushes. And we've got that super cute, that is a very cute, you know, monochromatic moment right there. That is nice. I like that. Alright, so to go in on the other side, I am going to use the Makeup by Mario blush brush. I'm going to pick up some of that product. Again, I'm actually surprised how great this cream picks up on the brush. Like, that's a good amount of product. I'm impressed. So I'm just going to start by going on to the apples of my cheeks. Same thing, working the way out. Alright, that's pretty. That's really, really nice. Loving it. I love that there's no scent to this. And it's a clean beauty brand. I mean, I can't ask for more than that. Like, that's super amazing. Am I getting creasing? A little bit. On the other side, we're just going to use our ring finger and tap some of that product onto our lid. This color I'm excited to play with on the eye because this is so pretty. Alright, that is a nice looking color. Again, taking my blush brush, you can go in with something smaller and more detailed if you wish, but quick and easy makeup is all I'm about right now, especially for the heat, right? You want that summer, no makeup, but makeup glow. This is a good one for that. Alright, I'm loving the pink that I'm getting from this mauve side, but this is giving me life. So I'm going to actually take my ring finger, dip into the lighter cool tone pink, and I'm going to go in right here and just highlight a little bit more. I'm actually going to put a little on my inner corner. Oh, okay, that's a moment. I'm going to go in with my blush brush and just blend. Alright, that is a really cute eye moment right there. Not that you need to pick up both colors, but I just wanted to play with that, and that is really, really cute. I'm actually going to take a little bit that I have left on my finger and just rub that right there, just give it a little pop, you know, make it look very cohesive and monochromatic. I'm loving this. This is amazing. What I don't like is that it's starting to bunch right here on my eyelid. I've got a little bit happening right here. This feels a little tacky to me. That bothers me a little bit because, you know, you've got your moisturizer on, you've got your sunscreen on, you've got serums on, so it's starting to look a little thick. I also have the foundation on, of course, which I love, and I'm not hating on the foundation. The foundation is completely weightless. It's beautiful. I love it. If you guys haven't seen it, I'll definitely link it at the end of the video, but this to me just feels tacky. And in the heat, if you're in a very humid climate, like, this is just going to be irritating. You know, I'd rather go in with a powder when it's, you know, something like that. I'm saying this is pretty. Like, this is very, very pretty. Like, don't get me wrong. I like it. I love it. How often am I going to reach for this? I'm not actually sure. I think this would be really cute. I'm going to dig right in here and put this right here just for like a little, you know, shoulder, you know, glisten vibe. Yes, that's giving me life. So this works great on the body as well. But on the face, I think it looks a little much for me. Like, I would rather go in with two separate products. The Makeup by Mario is a brand new one, also a super sheer, beautiful blush, but you don't have that intense amount of shimmer in it. If you're looking for something sheer, I would recommend picking that one up, but this is nice. Like, don't get me wrong. I love that there's no scent. I love that it's clean. They made the two different affordable options. I'm living for it, but I'm not mad at it. It's just not something I'm going to tell you guys to go out and buy. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's one of those vibes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you guys don't miss when I drop a new video. Now, if you love the complexion, my foundation is that brand new Saie foundation, so check out that video right here. If you haven't tried it, I recommend that. That is stunning, weightless, scentless, and just beautiful. I mean, the glow, amazing. All right, guys, until next time, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye.